We were all raised to nurture, to caretake, to make sure that everyone else is okay. But when were we ever taught to take care of ourselves? There's no scenario in life where you should only say yes or only say no. There are going to be times where there are yes answers and no answers to anybody's questions. Figure out what the balance is for you, though. Don't feel like you always have to say yes, because if you're saying yes all the time to other people, you're saying no repeatedly all the time to yourself. Make sure that you balance it out, that you say yes and you say no, so that you're taking care of yourself while you're taking care of others. We as women often feel the pressure to say yes. I mean, let's face it, we were all raised to nurture, to caretake, to make sure that everyone else is okay. But when were we ever taught to take care of ourselves? I don't think many of us were. It's an important lesson that we have to instill in ourselves, and certainly instill in our kids. Kids want mommy to be okay and to know that she's taken care of, because when mommy is happy, everybody's happy, and when she's well taken care of, she can take care of everyone else just fine.